the premier forum for international economic cooperation. It plays a strategic role in securing future global economic growth and prosperity. For competitive exams, it is one of the most frequently asked topics due to its broad geopolitical influence. 1. Origin and evolution. The G20 was established in two distinct phases. 1999, founding, created as a meeting of finance ministers and central bank governors in the aftermath of the 1997 Asian financial crisis to discuss global financial stability. 2008, elevation. Following the global subprime mortgage crisis, it was elevated to the level of heads of state, government. The first summit was held in Washington, D.C. 2. Membership. The 19+2 structure. The G20 is not a legal entity but a powerful informal grouping. As of the most recent summits, it represents about 85% of global GDP and 75% of global trade. 19 countries: Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Republic of Korea, Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Turkey, United Kingdom, and United States. 2 regional bodies, the European Union, EU, and the African Union, O. Note: the African Union became a permanent member during the New Delhi Summit, 2023, under India's presidency. 3. How the G20 works. The 2 tracks. The G20 does not have a permanent secretariat or staff. Instead, its work is divided into 2 parallel tracks. The finance track, led by finance ministers and central bank governors. It focuses on fiscal policy, debt sustainability, and financial regulation. The Sherpa track, led by Sherpas, personal emissaries of the leaders. It focuses on broader issues like agriculture, anti-corruption, climate, energy, and health. 4. Key features and the Troika. The presidency rotates annually among members. The presiding country sets the agenda and hosts the summit. The Troika. This is a 3-member steering group consisting of the previous, current, and incoming presidency holders to ensure continuity. No permanent headquarters. Unlike the UN or IMF, the G20 presidency moves from country to country, and the host provides the necessary administrative support. 5. Important facts for competitive exams. Feature. Detail. First Summit. Washington, D.C., USA, 2008, India's Presidency 18th Summit, 2023, India's theme. Vasudhaiva Kutumbam, One Earth, One Family, One Future, Major Outcome, 2023, Inclusion of the African Union and the Global Biofuels Alliance. Recent, upcoming. Brazil, 2024, South Africa, 2025, USA, 2026. 6. Significance for India. India's role in the G20 has shifted from a participant to a leader, especially in championing the cause of the Global South. Key initiatives discussed include Digital Public Infrastructure, DPI, sharing India's success with UPI and Aadhaar. MDB reforms, pushing for changes in multilateral development banks, like the World Bank, to better fund climate action in developing nations. Debt restructuring, helping low-income countries manage sovereign debt.